Oh, Father Divine, I gotta get this room in shape. You silly boy. You silly boy. Yes, I gotta put my armoire over here. And of course, my legs are missing. Oh, joy. Fucking movers. Next time I move, I'm gonna choose some. I gotta make friends that pack and move senior citizens. Because not knowing where my legs are to my expensive armoire is, well, I'm just trying not to cry. I'll put it that way. Look at this. Why is that like that? Because he picked it up at the sides when it was raining that day, August 5th. Jesus. I know, honey. Look at that. Well, I'm gonna shut up and be grateful. At least I have some things left after two horrible fucking moving companies got my shit all fucked up. So I'm just, oh, thank you, thank you, Princess, for leaving me presents all over the place. This is what I feel every person should have, men and women. Yeah. The lining helps keep down tarnish and whatnot. And you know I'm going to be going through here looking for stuff to sell off because I've had it for 40 years. It's time to have something new, so. All right, let's take a break before I clean up her shit. And Mr. over here is pretty happy. Okay. Oof. I know, one of these days I'm going to find me a brick so I can step on the brick to get in bed. Anywho, I hope you guys are having a good day and sticking to whatever you promised yourself you were going to get done today. This is what I was supposed to do yesterday, so. He's so funny, Mr. Magic. Say hello. Say hi, everybody. Tell Mama don't move this box out the way. I love this box. Okay. Break time is over. Back to work. Yeah, it looks pretty, but it's heavy as meat almost. Wow, that's just... Well, I'm going to put the sewing machine in the wire wrap room and probably put all my damn purse tote bags in there too. So that'll look neat and clean under there. And in case you're ever wondering why I'm doing this, it's to keep myself accountable. You don't have to watch. It's for me. To keep me accountable and stay focused and on track, attaining my goals in life, and keep my word to myself. I said I'm going to do such and such, and I did it. Now, I'm going to watch a really long movie. Something. Drink tons of water. And then get up and finish hand vacuuming. Now, that vacuum cleaner actually is probably way more powerful than my little upright roller one. But I need to clean that out. Yeah. So life goes on. I'm feeling pretty good. My little space is tidied up. Even under there, I picked up all the billions of boxes that I said, I'm going to save. I might need that box. Yeah. So, I feel better now. Now to get to the other side of the bed. I'll think about that tomorrow. Hi family, I hope you all are having a glorious day like me. Just wanted to give you a heads up, when you open your box, open it slowly, over your lap or something soft so it doesn't just fall on the floor and crack your crystal. Just wanted to let you know. And it snowed a lot yesterday, so mail will be going out in a couple of days.